Welcome to our tutorial on how to change your Twitter username. In this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step, so you can easily update your Twitter handle. Let's get started. First, locate the Twitter app on your cell phone and tap to open it. Once the Twitter app is open, tap to your profile picture, then scroll down and find the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on it to proceed. In the Settings and Privacy menu, you'll see various options. Look for Account Information, and tap on it. Within the Account Information settings, locate and tap on the Username option. Now, you can enter a new username of your choice. Simply tap on the text field and type in the desired username. After entering your desired username, please make sure it's still available for use. If your chosen username is available, you'll see a green checklist. This means your new username can be used. Finally, tap on the Done button to save the changes. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your Twitter username. It's that easy. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay connected and have a great day.